Welcome back to my channel, and today I will tell you how I shot this picture. So this is Islamabad, the capital city of Pakistan. So what I did, let me tell you exactly what and how I did it. So this is the picture I took, and it is only one shot and 30-second exposure. So what I did, I asked the model to just light her up for like 2 seconds, and then she walked out of the frame. You can see these trails as well. So in post-processing, what I did, I first removed this thing and the tree, which is not supposed to be there. And then I made some adjustments right here. So we have some issues here. I will clean them up. Then I cleaned the ground and I cleaned some areas around here as well. Then I did a small amount of dodging and burning on the model and on the sky as well. Then I have one more layer where I have done some color burn. This gave my picture a bit more darker look. Then I went to color lookup, sorry, and then I applied this candlelight effect. Then I added some galaxies into it because there was no galaxy. You cannot see it. You can see some stars around this area, this area, but since the light pollution is too much in the city, you cannot see any galaxies. So I googled them and I added some galaxies. There's the first one. Then a slight work on this side, although I did not like it too much. But when I added another galaxy, so that little work is really looking so amazing. Then this side, it was not so even, so I used my brush tool to even the things out and sampling from around on the right and then painting on this side of the picture. So this is how I achieved this picture, and this is the before. So I made some adjustments using my healing tool, clone stamp tool, to remove everything which is not supposed to be there. And this is my after. So do let me know, how did you like this image, and do you like it without the galaxy or with the galaxy? Thank you very much. Do subscribe to my channel and keep liking my videos and share with other people who want to learn photography, Photoshop, Lightroom, retouching, Filmora, or many other things. All the mobile phone apps which are used for retouching, some reviews, and do share with other people. Thank you very much.